Welcome to the Liquid Nomad. I'm Del. Today, we're making a flavorful, fresh, and minty cocktail using rum and champagne. This is the Old Cuban. First, we're gonna grab our serving glass, and if you have space in your freezer, chill this ahead of time. If not, you can just fill it with crushed ice. And set aside to chill while we build the rest of our cocktail. Grab our tins, and we're gonna start with Angostura bitters. I'm using a Japanese style dasher, so 2 dashes here are equivalent to 1 dash from your standard bottle. And for me, 4 dashes. I'm gonna grab 8 fresh mint leaves into the tin. And for our sour sweet balance, we're gonna use cane sugar and lime juice. For this 2-to-1 cane syrup, that's 2 parts cane sugar to 1 part water, I'm gonna do half an ounce, 15 mils into the tin. Then to balance out, I'm getting some sharp citrus brightness from lime juice, 3/4 ounce, 22.5 mil. Into the tin. For the base, this cocktail calls for a Cuban aged rum. I have this little Havana 7-year that my friends Nick and Allie gave to me when they got back from their trip to Cuba. If you can't get a hold of this bottle, there are plenty of aged Cuban rums available in the US at your local stores. This is 45 mils, 1.5 ounces. Fill the tin with ice. And we're gonna shake this about 8 seconds to chill and dilute. Take our chill glass, empty the ice. I'm going to add 2 ounces of a dry champagne. I'm using Perrier Jouet Grand Brut, beautiful dry champagne, 2 ounces into the glass. By adding the champagne first, we pour the cocktail on top, and that makes for a more cohesive cocktail as opposed to a champagne float. Then, grabbing a Hawthorne and fine strainer, and we keep out those little mint shards and ice chips. For garnish, I'm grabbing a fresh mint leaf, giving it a light slap just to express the oils, and then placing that to float on top. This is the Old Cuban. Created by Audrey Saunders in 2001, the Old Cuban cocktail was inspired by Mojito and is one of her many unique twists on classics. In my recipe, I'm using half an ounce of 2-to-1 cane syrup, where the original calls for 1 ounce of 1-to-1 simple syrup. One of my favorite rum cocktails. I hope you get a chance to enjoy this modern classic. All right, so here's why I love this cocktail. And it's one of my favorite rum cocktails. That beautiful Cuban rum shines through. It's French 95 and Mojito origin, utilizing that champagne and mint for a really celebratory sip. And it's not overly complex, and it's beautifully balanced. To make this cocktail today, we're at Little Havana on Key Highway in downtown Baltimore. Voted best waterfront restaurant in South Baltimore multiple times, Little Havana celebrated their 26th anniversary in March 2023. This Cuban-inspired restaurant brings the Florida Keys to Baltimore, boasting the original all-you-can-drink Sunday brunch. If you're interested in bar gear used, support small businesses and artisans by checking out my handmade product and bar gear affiliates in the description below with attached discount codes. It helps us as a channel, them as a business, and you save money. If you made the Old Cuban cocktail or have a cocktail you want to see me make, let's keep the conversation going in the comments section. If you like what you saw and you want to see more, like, subscribe, and I'll see you soon.